Hi YouTube, welcome back to Debrina Creates. So today I'll be creating this look. So I will show you how I achieve these mini twists on my natural hair. So stay tuned if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys the tools I'll be using today. So I have two combs right here. They're called Perfect Parters by Polished Beauty Collection. So these combs are used for parting hair. They're perfect for people who braid hair or if you comb your own hair. I bought 4 of these for $10. So if you want to purchase them also, you can let me know and I'll hook you up. So I have my combs, I have my clips here to get my hair out of the way. I have my Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil by Mielle Organics, yeah. And I have my Olive Oil Edge Control by ORS. So let's get into it. So normally when I'm combing my hair, when I'm twisting it, I ensure that I part my hair into different sections because it's easier for me to manage that way. It makes me feel more in control. So I'm just going to go in with my rat tail precision parter comb and just loose out my first plait here. All right. So my hair was washed at least 2 days ago, so it's still soft and moisturized. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead and start off. So I'll be doing small to medium sized twists. I want this style to last for about 2 to 3 weeks, so I'm gonna be plaiting the beginning of the braid. So here we go. Alright, so for the front, yeah, okay. Get my bigger precision comb and just comb through. So as you can see, the comb ran through that. So I'm just plaiting it. And then I'm gonna just twist it. Just a normal twist. These aren't Senegalese twists or rope twists as they're called. These are just regular twists. What time is it? It is 10:01, so we can time ourselves, okay? So I'm just doing them this small because it's the front, but as I go along, I'm going to be increasing the size because I know how hard these can be to loose out. I'm not up for that, so I'm just going to continue like this until I'm through. And as you can see, this comb is parting my hair beautifully. So you just use the big part of the comb just to run through the hair and you're good. Let's just take a moment to appreciate the length of my hair, okay? I just wanted to point out the importance of parting multiple sections of your hair at once because it does get the job done faster. Okay, guys? Alright, so I am through the first section. So let me check the time. It is 10:12, so I took 11 minutes to do this section. So if I do 11 minutes per section, then I should be done within 2 hours. just gonna go off camera and finish the rest of my hair. I will be back to show you guys the end results, okay? Be right back. Anyways, this is the finished look, guys. I just want to thank you so much for watching my video, and do stay tuned for the other one. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.